There's 4 main components to your Lightstream system: retrofit bulbs, controller, relay switches, and the app. The controller will manage all connected bulbs and any paired switches. Switches paired to the controller will command their own connected bulbs. The Lightstream app is used to set up your controller and pair all the devices. The Lightstream system is easily scalable for large or small projects. For projects with 200 bulbs or less, a single controller centrally placed is usually adequate. Add relay switches for larger projects. Each run of lighting must be directly plugged into either a switch or a controller. Do not exceed 200 bulbs per run per switch or controller. Lightstream bulbs come pre-assigned channels 1 through 6. Keep the bulbs in order when installing onto your wire. Each bulb has a colored O-ring to indicate its pre-assigned channel. Refer to the user guide and online tutorials for more information on managing bulb channels. The Lightstream controller can command up to 10 channels. Each bulb can be custom assigned a channel 1 through 10. Assigning extra channels is a great way to separately control a tree or another feature apart from your roofline. Pairing can be done either before or after hanging lights. We strongly recommend pairing and checking all bulbs before installation. To connect to your controller, open your Lightstream app, add a new controller, and scan in its QR code. Before pairing, make sure all your bulbs and switches are plugged in and powered on. Bulbs must be connected to either a controller or a switch. To pair, simply go to Manage Devices and begin the pairing process. Bulbs will change from red to green when paired. Your switch's status light will also turn green when paired. End the pairing process when all your bulbs have turned green and your desired number of switches are shown on the app. Now switch the system on, select the paint bucket to choose a color or theme, and watch as your Lightstream system comes to life. Be sure to visit our Lightstream support website for more tips and tutorials.